same value on the other side, which is also x. So one of the main goals in algebra is to figure out what the value of the letter x. And when you do that, it's called the solving algebraic equation. Alright, let's do some example. Equation. Sorry, thank you for being correct. So, it's a solving algebraic equation. The example is too fast. So for example number 1, we have problem 5 times 2 plus 5x is equal to 30. So how to solve the algebraic problem? First, we have to distribute 5 times 2 is equal to 10. 5 times 5x is equal to 10x. Next step is, so we need to